Hi, in this video I'll discuss about how we can create a table and what is table. So see here the definition part of the table. Table is a set of information where data is placed in row and column. So always table is a two-dimensional. So two-dimensional means first dimension is row, second dimension is column. We can store data in row and column. So row is called record, column is called field. So now my important part is how we can write down the script to create a new table. So let's see. I'm just writing a table here. So I'm just opening the SQL server. Now you need to click on connect. Now you have to click on new query. After clicking on new query, you will get window where you can write down the command. So now here I will write use. You have to put down the table name or database. First, you need to put down here database name. So you have to write here Udemy, press select it and press F5 to execute it. Now you can see here Udemy database has been activated. Now you need to create a table. So here I'm going to create a employee table. So you need to write here create table employee, bracket start and bracket close. Now so here I need to mention the column name with data type. So data type will decide which types of data you want to enter into that particular column. So here I'm taking ID. In ID column, I want to take here data type as a integer. So I'm taking here int. Then you have to take here another column name. So name is a employee name. So here you need to take data type as a worker or char. So worker means here you need to decide the maximum limit or you can mention any number here. So if I'm putting here 50 or 20, so if you try to insert 21 character, it will not accept. So maximum limit is 20 character. You have to put down here comma, then you have to take here department. Department you have to mention care. Okay, character data type, and here I'm mentioning 50. Okay, so now I'm putting here date of joining. Date of joining I'm taking here date data type. Okay, comma, then you have to mention here age. Then you have to take here tiny int. Tiny int means a small number. We can enter here a small number. Now what you have to do here, you need to take salary column. So here I'm taking salary, and then you have to take here big int. Big int data type I have taken. Now you have to execute your query. So here I'm just executing the query. Press F5. Now table has been created with the name of employee. Okay. So now here I will insert the data into this table. So you will have to write here insert into employee table, and here you need to mention the values and mention the data for each column. So my first column is ID, so I'm mentioning here 1001, and you have to take here name. Name is a worker data type, and you have to mention here John. Okay, department you have to take here sales. Then you have to take here date of joining. Date of joining you have to take YY, MM, and DD format. So here you have to take date of joining in single quote. You have to mention here 2021, and here you need to mention August 08, and then you have to mention here 11 August 2021. Okay. Next is age column. So here I'm taking age column as a 43 years, and here you need to take salary as a 89,000. So here I have taken the 89,000. So I have mentioned here data for each column. Now you have to select both the lines and press F5 to execute your query, or you can click on execute button to execute this query. Now this data is inserted into employee table. If you want to check your data, then you will have to write here select a star from employee. Okay, run this command. Now you will get here that data including header. So this is all about the creating table. Thank you so much.